On the Bale Baron's knotter system, the twine fingers need to be adjusted after the needles are set up. For needle setup instructions, refer to the needle setup video. To be sure the twine fingers are properly set up, there are two adjustments you need to check. The tools required to adjust the twine fingers are two 9/16" wrenches and a 90-degree square. For the first adjustment, the needles must first be moved to the setup position. Do this by manually operating the knotter tie switch. Stop the needles when they are 1 inch past the twine disc cleaner. Start by unpinning the knotter assemblies and lifting them up and out of the way. Be very careful when lifting the assemblies, as there are moving parts that can pinch your fingers. Once the assemblies are lifted, check the distance between the twine finger and the base of the needle. This clearance needs to be 1 to 2 millimeters. To make this adjustment, first loosen the two mounting bolts. Next, move the twine finger to obtain 1 to 2 millimeters of clearance. When the clearance is correct, tighten the mounting bolts. Now, repin the knotter assemblies. For the next adjustment, you must run the knotter until the needles are all the way in the home position, and then turn off the power supply. Once again, unpin the knotter assemblies and lift them up and out of the way. With the assemblies up, check the angle of the twine finger in relation to the knotter frame. The front edge of the twine finger needs to be at 90 degrees with the side edge of the knotter frame. If this angle is not 90 degrees, the connecting rods need to be adjusted. Shortening the rods will bring the tips of the twine fingers towards the back. Lengthening the rods will move the tips of the twine fingers towards the front of the machine. Start by loosening off the jam nut on the connecting rod. Next, remove the nut from the mounting bolt. Now turn the rod end bearing to either lengthen or shorten the shaft to obtain the correct angle of the twine finger. Tighten up the mounting bolt to check the angle of the twine finger. With the angle at 90 degrees, tighten the jam nut on the rod end. Repeat this procedure for all 4 twine fingers.